How to download Netflix on Mac. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your MacBook. Now here, if you search for Netflix application, you will not see the official Netflix application anywhere. So, go back and open Google Chrome. If you do not have Google Chrome on your device, go to Safari or any other browser and in the search bar, search for Google Chrome download. Tap on this particular link and you will see an option for download Chrome there. Tap on that and with this, Chrome will be downloaded on your Mac. Now go ahead and launch the application. I will simply open Google Chrome since I already have it installed on my Mac. Now, in the search bar, search for netflix.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Netflix. Here, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see an option for cast, save, and share. Now, place your cursor there and you will see the option for create shortcut. Tap on that and in the pop-up that appears, tap on the create option and with this, Netflix will be installed on your Mac. You can see I now have Netflix application on my dock. You can copy it to your desktop if you want, and if not, you can also open the app from your launchpad. Or you can download Netflix on your iPhone from the App Store directly and use AirPlay or a screen mirroring app to watch on your Mac. So this is how you can download Netflix on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.